Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Today we'll see high accurate strategy. For this we use volatile stock list that what we discussed earlier. Hope you have seen that video. If not, go and watch the video how to select volatile stocks. So use that method to select at least 5 volatile stocks and also use Nifty and Bank Nifty index. With this we can do this trade. So we use 5 EMA, 13 EMA and 21 EMA. So these three will use, and apart from this we also use RSI. Generally RSI will be 70-30, but we use RSI 50. So what we think, RSI above 50 bullish and RSI less than 50 bearish. So hope you understand what exactly that we need. Very simple trade, easy to understand. Just get the list of high volatile stocks, or else you can select Reliance, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Bank and HDFC Insurance or ICICI Insurance, anything that you can select. Now let us see the strategy. So this is 21 EMA, this is 13 EMA and this is 5 EMA. When price breaks this 3 and closes below to this, and we enter here, and when we will be in the trade till candle the form, and when we will exit is when price again comes back and closes above to the 21 EMA. Simple strategy. You can work with SL and target, or else you can blindly trade without SL also. You need to observe the screen. When if you work on bearish trade, when price breaks above to the bottom of the EMA 13 and 21 will enter, and when prices falls and when it closes again back to the 21 EMA will exit. Hope you understand. This is short sell trade. Now let us see the buy trades. This is 21 EMA, this is 13 EMA, this is 5 EMA. When price closes above this, it should be green candle. We'll enter here, and this EMA will move forward and price move ahead. When price come back and closes below this EMA, it should be red, will exit here. So hope you understand how we take buy entry and how we take sell entry. Let us see this in the chart. Open the chart. Let me close this first. This is a simple price chart, and we have Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance. You can take Indocent, Bajaj Finance, ICICI, HDFC Life Insurance or ICICI Life Insurance. Let us see how this works. Let us take RSI. RSI, what we did in the input section, we didn't do any changes. In the style section, again we didn't do anything. 50 line is the middle line. We just drawn 51 and 49. All should be in 50. To appear this line as a bigger, I just made 51 and 49. Our aim is that when price is above this line, we feel this is a bullish. When price is below, we treat this as a bearish. So to this, we'll be adding 3 EMA in one indicator. We'll be selecting this 3 EMA in one indicator. Once you select, then you'll be getting this. There'll be different EMAs in this. You'll go to the settings. In input section, you'll be putting 5, 13, 21. In the style, what I did, instead of selecting first one, I thick one, and in the next one I thick double thick one, and next last one I selected the maximum thick one, so that each EMA will see in a different sizes, which will attract our eyes. So our strategy, if you are a beginner, work only on 15 minutes time frame chart. If you are a pro trader, you can still work on 5 minutes chart. So what we discussed, EMAs will be there, and when price moves all of a sudden, breaking all the 3 EMAs, will be entering and will be exiting once price come back and closes here. If price come and close below to this line, we'll be exiting here, as this trade is still going on. So we need to wait till that closes. But my suggestion, work this strategy for only intraday, and you can, if you enter today, by any chance you exit tomorrow, because we are working with the volatile stocks. So volatile stocks, all of a sudden it move up, and in next hour it may fall down, but we'll get quick trades in that. So now again dissimilar, we need to work only 2 years experience people. You do trading less than that, do paper trade for an year. And if market is a bullish market, work only on buy side. If market is a bearish red, work as a red bearish day, bearish stocks. How we define? I hope you people watched my earlier video to define whether bullish market or a bearish market or a sideways market. For bullish market, we consider when Nifty is more than 50 points up. If Nifty trading 60 points, 70 points, 80 points, that day we'll treat it's a positive day, and we do only buy trades. If Nifty is a negative day, that means less than 50 points, that is minus 60, minus 70, minus 80 or anything more than that. That means we treat as a bearish day. If Nifty is plus or minus 50 or less than that, that means plus 20 points or minus 20 points up to plus or minus less than 50 points, then we treat that as a bearish day, and we'll work with very less 1:1 kind of a risk to reward trade on that day. So we work this strategy only for intraday purpose, not for any other positional stocks. For 5 years experience people, this can be done for options as well. We are not discussing because we decided not to work on options side. One more suggestion that can be seen only on when you are trading. For 15 minutes, follow the trend as well. Make the chart for 1 hour. Any time frame that you are working, multiply by 4, you will be seeing the trend. Price is above this 3 EMAs, that means we are in the bullish side. Then come back to the 15 minutes chart and trade accordingly. When price breaks this, enter here, or else when price dips, again coming back, you can still enter here also, trade. This is the second opportunity. When it breaks first time, then you will be getting big profit. When it is dips again coming back, then you need to work 1:1 kind of a ratio. You may put somewhere here, or else you need to close on the particular day. When price from here to move somewhere here, or else up to here, bring back your big SL to somewhere here. On price each movement upwards and taken a dip and move again, then bring back your SL next lower lows, and price is here, then this one. If you trail in this way, you can get bigger profits. Let us check in the induce end. So what happened? Price is moving high, but all of a sudden price breaks all 3 EMAs. This is the first candle. Either you can enter here, next candle breaks, or else you can still work when there is a green candle and again a red candle breaks that and closes below, then you can enter here. At the time, put the SL on the top of it. For this trade, what we thought, we should not put any SL and we need to trail our target SL, and we need to close when prices breaks this candle here. But if you waited up to here, so this is the profit, or else you can trail. If price is here, price is up to here, then you can put your SL here, something like that, and you will be trailing up to here and prices might have hit somewhere here. So this is the huge profit that you might have got. On the bullish day, when price breaks here, you will be entering here, and on the close of the day you will be exiting, or else when price comes back and again you have another entry, your SL, you will be trailing up to here. Bajaj Finance thing, we didn't discuss the one when price is touching on 3 EMIs and there is no EMIs movement. EMIs should be either upside moving all together or all 3 EMIs coming down, something like this. Then only we'll do either buy or sell. In this market we don't even touch. But let us see, that is the price bit away. On particular day, price try to move up, again broken, and see the EMIs. All tilting down, 3 EMIs not touching each one another. Then in this case we can try our trade. If you see a bigger candle, don't panic, that is the good candle, and there minimum there are other 2 candles will follow the same trend. 1:1 kind of a thing, some barrier. And when price moves next candle, bringing the sell to the candle low, and another candle you can see, then bring the SL some barrier. Then when you see this green candle, then you can think that there is a retracement, again price will come down. So in the retracement, if you see small candles coming wicks below, you can exit some barrier. We need to close this trade by 3:15 by any cost. ICICI Bank. When price breaks on 3 EMIs, we will be entering somewhere here. and each time price goes above comebacks, you may enter again with some more quantity. Price gone above, move down, your entry again here. Price gone up, coming down, another entry here. You can start increasing in this way when you see three EMIs are coming down. Hope you understand. Again trying to our EMIs working as a dynamic resistances and price not moving ahead. You have a guts, you can put some more quantity, you can put some more quantity. When will be exiting? We will be exiting only when price closes above these three EMIs here. So here we got big profit. From here price 977 to 954, almost 22 points on ICICI Bank. So work only on equities. Whatever profit that you want, you can gain, and whatever the quantity that what we discussed for beginners, 2 years experience, 5 year experience, work based on those stocks, those strategies. If you're a new person and watching my watching my channel first time, then watch all my other videos where I detailedly explain how one should work in the stock market only on equities, not on the futures and options. There is easy way to lose all your capital if you work on futures and options. Only you need to trade when you got 5 years experience, and that too 80% of your trades are successful. Then only you need to work on options, not even futures. And better futures and options working instead of there, you can work on equities, half of the lot size of the options. Let us see one buy trade. Price moved up, entry, and this is the SL part. Price moved up, come down and started moving up. From there SL here. Price moved up, your SL here. Price moved up a week, came back, taken support at 21 EMA, again moved up. Your SL will be TSL, you will be trailing here. And if days ends on the particular day, exit. Otherwise, your SL might have hit some barrier. So this is your profit. Same thing here. Price break in, your entry, your first SL, and price when moved down, bring your SL to here, and you may trail up to here. Day ends, close, or else you might have exited somewhere here. Hope you understand. See our trade, HDFC Bank, you might have entered. All this is your profit. You might have exited somewhere here, but seeing all topics, I would have holded some more time because we got huge profit. And finally, we might have exited here. This will give big profits. So my suggestion, what you do, suppose you entered with 500 quantity, exit in 3 intervals, 40%, 40%, 20%. Exit 200 quantity at 1:1, another 200 quantity at 1:2, rest last 100 quantity, wait the price again, breaks the reverse 21 SMA line, that is here. Let us see on the index part. See on the particular day, price tried to move up, but our EMIs hold it, and we can see the price is falling, all 3 EMIs coming down. Entry, SL, 1:1 is here. We got many points from here. 425, 200 points, 175 points, something like that we got it. And you can again enter somewhere here. You still have a trade with you. So someone entered here would have got all this profit. Similarly here, when price breaks here, you would have entered somewhere here. From there you hold this trade up to this point. On a particular day, day start itself given a gap down, still you can consider this as your first candle break in all these three EMIs. Initial SL, your target you would have trailed till end of the day, or else your SL might have hit some barrier, or else you got 1:1, 1:2, or even 1:3. Your SL immediately come back to here after you see this peak. Then here almost it came back, but again you got a big move. Again here, again up to here. You might have trailed up to here. When price hit here, you would have exited. You got this kind of a profit. 15,500 to 15,350, 150 points. Again good entry. Again good entry. This is a good trade. You should hold the trade, but our people, if they see Nifty and Bank Nifty 20 points in options, they'll be exiting. So I do only intraday trades, index thing on only options. Options, intraday trade, we don't hurt much, but stock options will easily erode our capital. So don't do any trades. As I am showing index examples, that's the reason I'm showing some examples on that. That doesn't mean that you go and trade tomorrow. See, this day a heavy candle broken all three EMIs. Entry, your SL. Most of the people, they don't trade because 617 to 900 and 980, almost 450 points SL. Anybody will trade? It's huge SL. That the market gives signal to you before it is going down. That is not actual SL. It says that big SL, but see how much profit it has given. Even in that trade also, you have got 1:2 kind of a trade. From 416 to market fallen 150, 600, 150, 750 points fallen down. Almost 1:2 trade, that what we got here. When price gone up, again started falling, your SL immediately come to almost 100 points level. 100 points in Bank Nifty, 1500 loss. As we have Bank Nifty size is now 15 instead of 20 or 25, 15 quantity Bank Nifty lot size. So we should not worry with 100, 150 up to 200 points. We can go easily with Bank Nifty and trade accordingly. With 100 points, the risk you got 750 points. So very good trade. This also you might have made some points, otherwise you might have exited cost to cost. This is no trade zone. This we can trade, entering somewhere here, holding up to here. So see that risk to reward. Risk to reward, you'll be entering 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, given almost 1:4 to 5. Good trade. See this trade, you would have entered here. Though we don't have a candle and it's a gap down, all three EMAs steep falling. Enter here, SL, and you have your own targets. I would have exited here. If not, I taken the profit out. And we'll see one trade on 5 minutes. Pro traders can do the same trade in 5 minutes. what we do, we add one more stock and we'll work on that. We'll take HDFC Bank and we'll see. These are all volatile stocks. As we not traded, so there won't be any lines marked on it. You can take any stock, but see how things are working on this trade. These are all no trades because candles are back to back touching our EMAs. EMAs. See all these good trades. When price broken, this again price started breaking, but we have still on downside, though it's showing some upward, but these are all heavy downside. If you see 5 into 4 20, but we can take 30 minutes chart, still we can see that it's in a downtrend market. We should not take buy trades. Hope you understand. So we can easily make out the trend by exactly going 4 times above the trading that what you are doing time frame. Entry profit, entry profit, entry profit, entry profit. These are all no trading zones because even in 5 minutes also each candle either body or wick touching all three EMS. So no trade at all. This could be a bit down thing. So when you see a green candle going up, again price is reversing, then you can have a trade here. And SL somewhere here, even you need to put somewhere here. Almost it touched our SL. If not, then we would have exited here. This is no trade zone. This is a good trade again. Entering here, big SL. Initially we may not enter the trade by seeing this big SL, but after immediate 2-3 candles, bring back your SL to below EMA to the candles. When price gone up, come down, going up, you can put your TSL now. Go and start the chasing stock, and when price come back and hit our SL, this could be our target. This again a small trade, 1:2 risk to reward. A big trade, you might have got 300-400 points. Again a good trade, entry, exit. This big profit that you got. Prices all touching, finally you got here and you tried entering, but again this candle closes, so you'd have got cost to cost or else 5-10 points in bank, HDFC Bank. See, by seeing strategy, it may look very simple, but when you put actual money, your emotionals will play. And by seeing big SL, you don't enter. And when there is a reverse candle, a struggle will start in your mind to exit. See, people, they don't wait when trade is with you. That means you are in a positive direction. You want to exit early and grab the profit. But when you are in the loss making trade, you pray God and ask the market to reverse, but it never reverses. So SL should be must in each and every trade. That means you may be losing 1000 or 2000 if SL hits. If you fear that and you still waiting and making heavy losses, still you pray the God to reverse the trade. Even God won't help you. God only says that you put SL. So as we discussed, we should not put SL. That may not mean that you should not put the SL. Our mind says that when price reverses above to the 21 EMA, we need to exit. That is the SL. We have still SL, but we are not putting in the system. We are putting in our minds. But still we are putting target SL. That means if price reverses anyway, our SL is there with some profit. When we are making profit, we put target SL. That again an SL. We are not putting SL for the loss. We are exiting with some profit. That is called TSL. If you are following my videos, you'll understand. So hope you understand this strategy. Very simple. You work only this strategy. This strategy will you give 70 and little above 70% of the trade. That means 10 trades, you will be successful 7 trades in a week. You risk 1000. That means you are earning your favors. This thing is 7 and you are losing 3. That means if you're working 1 is to 2, 14,000 minus 3,000, 11,000 you are earning in a week. So plan what you need on a monthly basis, that divide into weekly, and weekly risk divided that into each trade and work accordingly. So please mute this channel and subscribe, like, and please share this strategy to some of your friends as well. I'll come up with another strategy soon. Thank you. Bye bye.